This is a complete power pack, PC power pack, complete PC power pack. As you can see, this is the power in AC 220, and we have the power outlet to various directions carrying different voltages and currents. As you can see, I've removed the connectors from the edges just to separate the cables into their various power categories. As you can see, they label them in the colors, which means there are some that belongs to a particular group that carries a particular current. You can see yellow here, you can see orange, you can see the black, red is also here, red is here. We can see green also as well. They all have its uses. You can see the description over here. DC outputs plus 5 volts is the red. This is the red one, plus 5 volts, and plus 3 volts is what? The orange one. This one is the plus 3 volts, and plus 12 volts is the yellow one. This one over here is the plus 12 volts, and the gray is the negative plus 12 volts. The gray, where is the gray? It's right here. This one is negative 12 volts. Okay, and then the blue one, which is the plus 5 volts. This blue one over here is plus 5 volts, and then the purple is also plus 5 volts. The purple, where is the purple? The purple one is here. As you can see, they are all there. The green wire is our switch wire. Let's separate all the cable and tape them together in their various color category. This is the black, and this is the grounding to all the power over here. This is the grounding. The grounding is the black wire. This is all the blacks that we have in it. We have some over here too, as you can see. We have some over here too. Let's bring all of them together like this. So this is the black. Let's tape it. Let's tape all the blacks together. So these are the blacks. So this is the ground wire, the grounding. Let's pick the reds. Red, which is the plus 5 volts. Let's bring all of them together. Plus 5 volts, which is the red. This is the red. This plus 5 volts. This plus 5 volts. And this is minus 3 volts. This is the orange one, minus 3 volts. The yellow, which is the plus 12 volts. This is plus 12 volts. Yellow is plus 12 volts. And this is the gray, which is minus 12 volts and plus 12 volts. Another one. We tape all of them together. And this is another grounding. It belongs to the black. Let's use this grounding, and then the green one, which is the switch wire, to power this power pack. This is the switch wire, and this is what? A grounding. Together it will power this. This is a power cable, and plug it directly. This is our switch wire, the green one, together with one of these ground wire. This is the grounding. One of these together with this can power this. Let's peel it. Let's find. Okay, we can put a switch on this to make it a unit. Tape it to avoid touching each other. Short circuit. When it short circuit, it can on, but it's not safe. So we need to put a switch on it. Boom. As you can see, our power pack is on, working. So with this, you can see that. Let's check the voltage. With our multimeter put on this thing voltage. We can check our voltages. Let's peel. This is plus 5 volts. With this and together with one of the grounding, we can get plus 5 volts. Let's check with this. Make sure you put red at red, black at black. Boom, you can see that this your plus 5 volts. So this can charge your mobile phone direct. This voltage can charge your mobile phone. This is plus 5 volts, red and black. Let's check the 12 volts. This is plus 12 volts. So with this plus one of the grounding can give you 12 volts, approximately 12 volts. I have a low battery on the multimeter, so this is 12 volts. This is a 12 volt dashboard light, so this can power it. Can you see? This is a 12 volts lamp, so this is a 12 volts power, can power this lamp. See it very well, it's bright. As you can see, it's brightening. So that's it. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and get more of this video. Thank you. This is a homemade power. Have a